Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the Force Manager app acquired by Sage, which is now Sage Sales Management. I'm going to show you how to set it up within your sub account and start executing actions directly from the workflow. Let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app Force Manager. There you go. There you go. Click on it. You go at install, allow install. As you can see, there are some keys required in order to get the installation going. We're going to switch to the platform in order to get it. Let's do it right away. As I told you, the new name is Sage Sales Management. So we come here, we go at third party integration, scroll down, come here, API key management, we generate, there you go, we start, we copy the API key, switch back, or I can copy the private key. Copy, switch back here, paste, continue. The tool is already connected and we're able to start executing actions ready from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.